Make the most of home cooking with the Cosori Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, featuring 10 customizable cooking presets. Connect to the free VSync app to browse for inspiration. Simply select a recipe to automatically apply settings and let the oven do the rest. You can also use the app to turn the oven light on and off, control the power convection fan, check your settings, and track your meal's progress from start to finish.
Coway Aqua Mega 200C, the smart water purifier that provides clean, crisp water with one touch. Coway Aqua Mega 200C provides clean, crisp water at your fingertips for the health of your family. The direct water system provides an endless supply of clean, pure water and can also dispense large volumes at once. The unit stores 0.36 gallons of cool water, available at any time for optimal convenience. The Coway Aqua Mega 200C uses a two-step filtration system, which provides performance and cleanliness and is certified by the WQA. The filter system is composed of a sediment filter and powerful carbon block filter that removes sediment and harmful contaminants, providing your family with clean water and peace of mind. Additionally, filter changes are indicated with an automatic smart filter change indicator on the front of the panel, and changing the filters is an easy, intuitive process. Replacing your Coway Aqua Mega 200C filters is quick and simple. Coway Aqua Mega 200C is a smart system that pairs with your mobile devices. You can check the usage of the purifier and check the filter change status through the Coway IoCare app. And you can have new filters delivered to your house automatically through Amazon Dash. Coway Aqua Mega 200C's compact and sleek design ensures the purifier is space efficient and can be installed anywhere in the kitchen. The touch display makes for easy product interaction, providing the right serving size with a single touch. The design can also accommodate larger containers like water bottles. Coway Aqua Mega 200C, the smart water purifier that provides clean, crisp water with one touch. Coway Aqua Mega.
The Sleek provides both a modern and transitional appeal that is perfect for any setting. 3 textured blades that span 60 inches in diameter, an energy-efficient DC motor, and a 16-watt LED light. The Sleek is a smart fan that can be controlled through your device with the Bond Home app or the included handheld remote control. Sleek comes in 4 distinct finishes: brushed nickel, oil-rubbed bronze, flat white, and coal. Sleek by Minka Air, the art of air management.